Alright, hello everybody, it's me, Sarah! And today I am creating this look. It's a thing that happens that I didn't really plan. It was just I wanted to do something creative and talk a little bit about my no-buy, how's it going. It's my first week, and so I just discuss a little bit how I feel, stuff that came up during the week, and a little bit more in depth on why I'm doing a no-buy now. So if you want to watch that, stay tuned. I am getting right into it. Alright, so I'm just gonna start. We're just gonna jump into it. I know it looks kind of crazy, but this is all just me kind of messing around. So I thought today I would play a little bit with my makeup and do a little bit of like a talking video of how my no-buy is going so far. Today is the 7th, so it's like a week update, how I've been feeling. How I've been feeling personally attacked by makeup companies. I'm going to start off with this orange shade in the I Love Setahi ColourPop palette. But I've done good. I have not bought anything. I've definitely been not looking, but I do follow makeup accounts on my Instagram, and so even if I don't follow direct companies, stuff pops up, like sales pop up or new collaborations or just new anything pops up. Recently a few different sales have popped up for like New Year's sales, which is fine, but I know one of them that I felt really like, oh man, kind of bummed was ColourPop did the Build Your Own Palette sale again, which that's a really good deal. If you're not doing a no-buy, I recommend checking out the ColourPop site for when they do those sales, because it's a scream. And so I saw that and I was a little bit just like, I felt that twinge of like, I wish I could buy that, which I didn't think I would feel that already, so that was kind of interesting. I mean, I always didn't buy anything, and like that wasn't enough to make me like break down and be like, well, just this once, I'll just do a low buy instead. I did not buy anything, but I definitely was like, oh darn, that's something that I do actively kind of look out for last year, because I did a ton of them last year, and so I just kind of thought that they weren't going to happen again anymore, but it did. And I was kind of just, you know, bummed because I was looking at the new single shadows, but even then it was something that I had forgotten that I wanted before I started the no-buy, so I'm like, really, how much did I actually want it? It's just one of those weird things that you don't think about how you feel about something until you can't have it, if that makes any sense. It's one of those weird, I guess, like, you don't know how much you love it till it's gone or something, one of those things. I don't know. Not that I love it or I'm like, I was obsessing over it. It was just weird. It was weird to feel like I missed out on something that I didn't really remember that I was gonna miss out on. I don't know, it was just weird. Next I'm gonna take this shade Trove from the Ooh La La palette. I'm using like only ColourPop stuff. I am probably also going to unsubscribe from all of the sites and like deal stuff that I'm subscribed to currently in my email list. I check my email like every single day just because I'm that person. I subscribe to a lot of like deals sites and stuff, and so I like to get a good deal. Don't we all? I don't use it too often except for like if we go out to the movies or dinner or something, or if I need something for the dogs, or we've been looking at purchasing something in particular and now it's on sale. I'll do stuff like that. But I think I'm gonna unsubscribe from different makeup newsletters that I get. I think I'm subscribed to like Morphe and ColourPop and stuff. Yeah, so far it's been good. I've been trying to play with my makeup as much as possible during this week just to give myself something to do, basically. Where did my concealer go? Because my whole goal with the no-buy is to be more creative with what I have, hence why I'm doing this today. Also hence why it looks really, really bad, just because it's just me trying out something different. I'm going to take my concealer and cut the crease. I'm really, really bad at this, so don't judge me too hard. I don't really think I talked about my reasons for my no-buy a whole lot in my last video. It was more just I did realize that I was bored, so I was buying things because I was bored. And so now I'm trying to put my efforts into other things instead of purchasing items, because that's not helpful in any fashion to myself or anyone. I partly decided to do it now just because money's tighter. It just is. And so it was kind of a good reason for me to be like, I wasn't gonna buy anything miscellaneous anyways, and so I thought, why not turn it into a thing, basically. I'm taking the blue shade that I have left in my Perception palette. Yeah, this is the Shayla ColourPop collab, and I'm just putting that directly on the wet shadow. Wet base. Oh my gosh, Sarah. I'm also a little sick, so you'll have to ignore that. But yeah, so that was the other reason for my no buy, which is also why I feel like it's gonna be easier to do. Which is also why it is easier to do. Like when I saw that sale that, you know, I really used to look out for, because I know that I like the ColourPop stuff and I know that's a good deal, and it's like, if I'm gonna get anything, might as well wait for a build your own palette sale. When it came around, I was like, oh, bummed, but also like, even if I wasn't doing a no buy, there's no way I would spend any money right now, especially not on makeup anyways. So it was really weird in that kind of way. But yeah, I'm partly doing a no buy out of a necessity to not spend money on frivolous things. I much rather spend it on groceries or my dogs. That was part of the reason that I felt that doing a no buy would be a little bit easier during a time when money is tight. You know what I'm saying? Some more TV static water. It's also like 15 minutes till 1 in the morning. It's an interesting time. I'm taking this clean colored liner. It's not the best. I think they're like $1 when I purchased them. They're by no means good, but they do allow me to play with some different looks that I might not usually do. I did the same kind of weird line up in my crease the other day with the gold liner, but I decided to add like this weird cat wing thing at the end. I feel like I need to fix this one. I can see where it's really uneven, and you can see it's already starting to like get kind of crusty and try to peel. That's the one thing I don't like about this, is like it's like applying a latex, and so it will peel off. So that's interesting. But yeah, so far, first week, I feel pretty good. I haven't really looked at a whole lot of makeup since I decided to start doing the no buy. I think I'm going to do a separate video about panic buying, because I saw somebody else, I can't remember her name, but she did a video about what she panic bought before she started her no buy, or what she decided to not panic buy. And I didn't realize that I did that until after I saw the video, and I was like, oh, I definitely did that. I think I want to do a video about the fact that I just didn't realize that's what I was doing, and how it made me feel in the end, maybe, if that's helpful for anyone. But I think I'll do a separate video on that. Alright, so here's the finished look. I know it ain't cute. Ignore all of it, but I used the Love Bite Ultra Blotted Lip. It's from the Ava Kutowski collab with ColourPop. It's like my favorite shade, and I love the blotted lip formula. It's like the perfect My Lips But Better, like peachy nude shade. If you have it, it's awesome. It's unfortunate that it was a really short-lived collab, because I love this color. I have not found another one on the ColourPop site that's near this color, but this is the one, Love Bite. That's pretty much it. As for the low buy, like I said, 1 week down, I don't know, maybe 3 months, maybe 6 months, maybe a year to go. Your girl doesn't know. But I feel pretty good. Like I said, it's more out of necessity for me, so I feel more confident in me being able to cut back on those expenses and save money in that way, and not spend money on things that aren't necessities, basically. So makeup was the one thing that I was like, you're going. That's how I feel. It's interesting to feel like I want to purchase something but then not be able to. It could be just a really, really good exercise in restraint. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this was helpful to someone. It's kind of just to document how I feel, so I have something to look back on in the next coming months when it's probably more difficult to not spend any money on makeup because I love makeup. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. Do not forget to like and subscribe down below. It helps me out a lot. And thank you so much for coming. Alright, bye!